Welcome guys! In today's video I will be walking you through the steps to create a Pong game in Unity. We will cover everything from setting up the project to scripting gameplay mechanics. Let's dive in. Start by creating a new 2D project. I've chosen the mobile 2D template for this tutorial. First, let's add the boundaries. We will create a 2D square for the right wall. Adjust its position to fit the right side, and don't forget to add box collider 2D. Now duplicate the wall for the left side, just set X position to negative value, and you will have both walls in place. Next we will create the ball physics. Go to create 2D, physics material 2D, and name it ball. Set the friction to 0 and the bounciness to 1. This will give the ball the bounce effect we need during gameplay. Now let's create the ball. Add a circle and name it ball. You can center the ball and resize it slightly if needed. Tag the ball with ball tag, but before that add new tag. Then add the rigid body 2D and set its gravity scale to 0 to prevent it from falling, and apply the physics material we created earlier. Add a circle collider 2D. Lastly, we attach the ball script. In the ball script, we will define a ball speed parameter and write methods for launching the ball in a random direction and resetting its position. Let's attach the rigid body component in the script to control the ball's movement. Now create a square to serve as the player paddle. I set position and resize the sprite. Add a rigid body 2D, set it to static, and add a box collider 2D. Attach a paddle script to this paddle. In the paddle script, we will check for touch input inside the update method. When a touch is detected, the paddle will move accordingly. We will also add a reset method to reposition the paddle. For the AI paddle, simply duplicate the player paddle, rename it, and change the Y position to place it on the opposite side. Remove the paddle script and attach an AI paddle script instead. In the script, we will use the ball's position to move the paddle horizontally. Keep it aligned with the ball, and I add a reset method here as well. Attach the ball to the script. Next, we'll display the scores using TextMesh Pro. For the player score, add a TextMesh Pro object. By accessing the first time, you have to import the TMP essentials. Adjust the text position, font size, and alignment. For the AI score, duplicate the player score and move it to the opposite side by changing the Y position. Now create an empty game object and name it Game Manager. Attach a Game Manager script to handle game logic. In this script, we will manage player and AI scores, update the TextMesh Pro UI, and run the reset method for the ball and paddle after each score. Now link the necessary references like paddles, ball, and text objects to the script. Finally, we need to set up the goals. Create a square for the player's goal, adjust its position and size, and add a box collider 2D. Attach a goal script to handle scoring. In the goal script, we'll use onCollision enter 2D to detect when the ball enters the goal. If the object colliding has the ball tag, we'll call the Game Manager method to update the score. You have to pass its player goal variable to know if player or AI scored. For the AI goal, simply duplicate the player goal, move it to the opposite side by changing the Y position, and uncheck its player goal parameter. Now that everything is in place, hit play to test the game. That's it! You have just created a basic Pong game in Unity. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more game dev content. See you in the next video.